Hey everybody, I quickly chose to look at Widio because one of the things you can find is when it comes to the free apps or the free ones that you get a certain amount of availability and use, but then every once in a while it's kind of fun just to look and see what do you get when you pay for something. And Widio is one that they give you a 7-day trial, and that's it. So once you do something, after some days, it's done, over, and you have no access to it. Then when you pay, you can pay $19 a month and get 10 free templates to work with, plus a 1-minute video, and that's all you can use. Or you can pay the $39 and you find that you get Pro, and you'll see a lot of the Pro. So as you can obviously tell, their motivation here on this site is to get you to use and pay for Pros. But here's some basics, and the one thing about what this site does is it gives you the ability to have animation. It allows you to put text into it, and allows you to just kind of use it in a lot of ways. Within templates, you see, you got promotional videos, startups, tutorials, e-commerce marketing, and these are all areas that you can go into and just dig into and say, this is kind of where I want to be. Nice thing about a paid one is you are not alone. I know YouTube gives you a lot of availability, a lot of help, but when you come to a site that you're paying for, they want you to stay there. They want you to be successful. So you see that what they have is from the first steps of animation to editing to advanced animation to editing text, download and share, sound, start time, and other settings. So you can add different things along the way. So you can speak, you can add music, you can add other sounds, and then you can create it now into and convert it into a presentation slideshow, which is really our ultimate in the end. One thing about the paid is, again, they give you all of this help, but if you want to be successful in the way that they really want you to be successful, to have the most, you're really going to want to be spending the $39 a month, and then you have to decide, is it feasible or is it not? With the products, you get to go through, again, with the learning that's there. They share some of the features that you get on some videos, and they use some really good, powerful words, awesome videos. And so they want you to be able to do these things. They want you to be successful and to create what you need. So you can create, as it says here, with captions. You can do the slideshow, and when you want to get started, you just simply click Start Now, and here's where it says, go for it. And so what are you going to title? Name it, try it. This is what we do, and then you click Save. And here's where I run into my problem, is on our school computers we do not have the Adobe Flash Player, and so you'd have to download that to do it. And we run into the issue that when it comes to adding things like this, we run into having to go through our tech person, getting the permission, getting okay, and things of that nature. So I can't really go into too much more of playing around with the actual, but I just wanted to explore kind of the difference, give you guys just a little taste of it, and just kind of let you understand that, when you want to pay for something, you can really have some pretty cool stuff. For instance, here is, since I'm at church, here's a little template of what someone created for the Widio Church. As you can see, they roll down and screen in things. They scan in and bring in the pictures to kind of pull your mind to it. They show people, they add the hands in there to really add to it. And again, the heaven, the focus there. And they use warm words with some of the pop in the back. Bring in videos and pictures to create things. And so, as you can see, this is why they like to pay for stuff, why you like to pay, because you can get a professional. And that's where typically what happens is, when we want to create something like this, we would end up hiring somebody and paying for somebody to do it. And so this is where they want to make sure that anybody with some knowledge and some availability can figure it out. And so as you look through this, it's something that indeed they want you to be able to do it. They want the average person with base knowledge to be able to accomplish it. And so if you want to create some professional looking documents or professional looking sites or screenshots or slideshows, this really gives you an opportunity. Thanks for checking it out.